Look right here. Look at the black dot. The black dot, son. Right there. Here, talk to your sissy for me. No, just talk to her normal, Lincoln. Talk to her normal. So, hi, Clary Pearl.
Hi, Pearl.
Oh.
What does that mean? Cheese.
Jeez.
Hey, that one back.
Nose, eyes, mouth, hair, ears, Clary Pearl. Clary Pearl? Clary Pearl? Clary Pearl. Hey. Say dada. Dada, da da da. Da da da.
Hey, Assie.
Say Clary Pearl, say da da da.
It's Clary Pearl.